Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello Way to World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to uninstall Netflix in Windows 11. So for this case, you have to click Start button or Search button. We will click the Settings here. Here the apps here as because we will go to the install app. Here we will write the Netflix. See, it has come. So here the three dot sign, we will click here and we will do the uninstall here. Click, or we will go to the advanced options from here. From here we will the uninstall. Let's do this, uninstall this. See, uninstall this app and in settings your documents will not be affected. So click here settings and we will search the Netflix. It has or not. See, the next Netflix apps has been cleared. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.